A huge public debate has been sparked by the comments made by Vembu Sridhar and by Upasana Konidela, who in fact said after a visit to the IIT Hyderabad that she believes that more men are wanting to get married than women, which she saw as an indication of progressive India, that women are focusing on their careers and therefore not wanting to get married young. To which the Zoho chief scientist Sridhar Vembu reacted, saying that he is asking people, entrepreneurs in their 20s to get married, whether men or women, in order to fulfill their demographic duty as well as the familial obligations. I have with me a senior citizen as well as someone who is married young. And what is your opinion, ma'am? Your Kavita, 75 years old, someone who is very active. This debate about whether people should get married in their 20s or wait till their 30s because their career has to be stabilized now.
Marriage should be between 25 to 30, not later than that, because they do not adjust otherwise. The couple, the boy and the girl do not adjust so well. So if she is young, she can adjust better. Career can be done even with us after the marriage also.
That can happen after marriage. These days people say career takes up so much of your time, and many others say that because of economic reasons we can't support a family and therefore we must wait till both of us become stable.
That is not possible because that keeps on going longer and longer. Again you want to aim for something higher. So it doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen. Here I have someone who's a young mother. You got married in their 20s and you have a young daughter as well. What is your opinion on this debate that's been sparked?
I feel that marrying at a young age would be better, because I was fortunate enough to get married and continue my work along with having a child. So just your partner should be a supportive one. So I think that would help a lot in your career as well. So though you're married, it's not that you have to leave your work or you have to leave your family and go. So you can manage your work alongside with your family. So I think that's a better choice for the girls.
So what do you feel? Young marriage, 20s marriage, or you have to wait till ante career adanta set? Yeah.
కొంచెం ఎకానమిక్గా ఉన్న తర్వాతనే పెళ్ళి చేసుకోవాలి, లేకపోతే ఫ్యూచర్లో సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తే ఆడవాళ్ళు అయితే చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడాల్సి వస్తుంది. వాళ్ళ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు చాలా చూస్తున్నాం మనం, ఎందుకంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. మ్యారీడ్ అయిన తర్వాత హస్బెండ్ తోటే ఉండాలి, బయట పోతే ఇప్పుడు వేరే మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకోలేము. సో దానికని ఉమెన్ కూడా స్ట్రాంగ్గానే ఉండాలి.
How old are you and మీకు ఎప్పుడు పెళ్ళైంది? మీ పేరేంటి?
నా పేరు రేణుక, నాకు 19 ఇయర్స్కి పెళ్ళైంది.
Oh my God, 19 years. And now how old are you?
ఇప్పుడు 33 ఏజ్.
Okay, so you don't believe young age marriage? No అంటున్నారు.
లేదండి, ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ అప్పుడే మంచిగా చదువుకుంటే ఇప్పుడు నా లైఫ్ ఇట్లా ఉండకపోతుండే. నాకు 2 బాబులు, ఒక బాబు 12 ఇయర్స్, ఒక ఆయన 8 ఇయర్స్. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇట్లా జాబ్ చేస్తున్నా.
Fantastic. So Renuka is 33 years old and she got married when she was just 19 years old, and she believes that you must get your education, get economically stable, and then only get married, because she feels that she has not been able to maximize her own potential if she just because she got married young, because she now already has a 12-year-old son and another son as well, and she would rather that young people do not get married before they finish their education or their career, whereas you have the opposite opinion. In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagaraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.